Okay, to create a chart, of course, it's a very simple process in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You just need to select the data that you already key in, usually in a tabular form, and click on the chart. Alright, and you can actually choose different type of charts. I will just probably just take this one, which is the default. And let me just enlarge this a bit. Alright, now please take note that despite having the chart out, you can still do a lot of changes to the chart, which is a simple one would be like changing the title. Right, just select and you can actually change the title itself, like for instance network and computer security. You can still change the axis. Alright, so if you double click, I can say, alright, do I really want the maximum bound to be at 120, for instance? So for in this case, since it's a percentage, I'll probably change it to just 100. So you can see you will change to 100 itself. And feel free to learn to customize, alright, including the text option, the shading, alright, and you can even add some flares to it, basically, alright, if you want to. From the top, alright, there are already quite a number of templates that you can actually use. Okay, so you do not actually have to just stick to the very standard boring chart that you use all the time.